Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to create a cylinder and use it to add details to the lute. So let's jump into it. First, press Shift plus A and create a cylinder. Set it to 32 vertices to have more polygons. Scale it down with S, then rotate it on X by 90 degrees. Move it slightly on Z and position it roughly where needed. If needed, you can recreate it to get a cleaner base. Now press Ctrl plus A to apply the transforms. With the cylinder selected, use it to create a boolean. Select the main mesh, then apply a boolean modifier set to difference. As we discussed before, you may need to make the mesh unique before applying the modifier. Once done, apply the boolean and delete the cylinder. Now select the Lute mesh, go to Vertex Paint and press Shift plus K to apply the color everywhere. Go back to Edit mode, select this face, extrude it and scale it slightly. Then select these edges and rotate them a bit to match the reference. Make sure to keep checking your reference. I'm looking at mine on a second screen. Add a loop cut with Ctrl plus R, then refine the shape. Select this face, insert it, and make it almost white using Shift plus K. Then extrude it slightly. Select the loop with Alt and apply the same color to create variation. Now duplicate this part with Shift plus D and move it along Z. Scale it slightly on X and position it correctly. At this stage, remember that for concept art, you don't need too much detail in 3D. You can always add more detail later with the paint over. Now let's refine the colors. Select some faces and make them slightly darker. Others can be brighter with a bit of orange. Don't worry about precision, just block the colors for now. Select this face, scale it on X, and move it slightly. Give it a brighter color, almost gray. Keep adjusting, move vertices, rotate slightly, and refine the overall shape. If something is in the way, you can hide parts temporarily to work more easily. Let's add more small details. Press Shift plus A and create another cylinder. Set it to 16 vertices this time, scale it down, rotate it on Y by 90 degrees, and stretch it on X. Duplicate it with Shift plus D and position it along the lute. Assign the correct color using Shift plus K. Now, duplicate these elements multiple times, rotate them slightly so they don't all look identical. This adds variation, and makes the model more natural. If the vertex paint doesn't apply correctly, make sure you're in face selection mode, then press Shift plus K again. You can also use Ctrl plus L to link materials if needed. Finally, enable Shade Smooth and set the angle to around 60 degrees. Select everything and join it if needed. And that's it. We now have our lute with additional details. Don't forget to press Ctrl plus S to save your work. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.